makeup, first step is primer. So here I am using aloe vera gel as primer, as I don't have open pores much and my skin is smooth and has no texture. Product glide on my skin though have a facial hair. Always apply primer to your T-zone area as I am applying for sweat proof makeup. I am applying all over my face as my skin is normal. And never forget your neck. Next product, I am using this foundation from the brand Lakme. It is their Invisible Finish range. It is a sheer coverage foundation. Mine is in shade 01. This shade is lighter than my complexion. I would have gone for 02 shade. Never use foundation lighter than your complexion. It will make you look like ghost. Your face would look different from your body. I am purposely using this foundation to show you that things I am talking about. But as usual, end up using less amount of foundation. I am blending it with sponge. You can build this foundation by applying layers again and again. But I will not, as it is much lighter than my complexion. Next product, I am using concealer from the brand Maybelline. It is their Fit Me range in shade 20 Sand. I am applying it to my under eye area and importantly on eyelid, as I will be going to do glittery eye makeup. It is a brightening concealer and blending it with sponge by dabbing it on my face. I have applied concealer on my nose and blending it too. Now using compact to set my face. It is from the brand Maybelline Super Fresh Compact. Setting my under eye area for not creasing and dusting it all over my face for matte finish look. Did brows off camera and now brushing it with spoolie to give it a perfect shape. Now taking makeup fixer of brand Swiss Beauty and setting my base. It will fix your makeup and will last long. Spray it all over your face and let it dry. Dun dun dun, changed my dress. This outfit I'll be wearing on Raksha Bandhan. Now let's start the eye makeup. Taking light brown shade from Maybelline Nude palette and applying it all over my eyelid as I'm using it as transition shade. Blending it with fluffy brush. Now taking dark brown shade from Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette and applying it to the outer corner of my eyes. Always blend eyeshadow from outer corner to your inner corners. Blending your eyeshadow as much as you want to avoid harsh lines. Blending is the most important factor. Here I am doing light cut crease eyeshadow look. Now applying pink glitter to my inner corners to the center of my eyelid. Did that powder hack for eyeshadow fallout, but it's much chunky glitter. Blending the glitter and shadow lines so that lines won't occur roughly. And now here applying little bit more glitter to finish my look. Here it's done. Next step is bronzing. First, I don't used to bronze my face, but as lockdown and corona we all ate and became fat. This side bronzing became much harsh. Never leave harsh lines. I kept it as I am filming with phone so that it would capture it. Have already drawn lines with bronzer on my nose for giving it defined shape. And now blending it. Next product is blush. It is from the brand Wet n Wild. It is in the shade Fantastic Plastic Pink. Always apply blush in upward direction as I am applying. Never apply on your front cheeks. Blending it and distributing it all over your cheeks evenly. I will be applying it on tip of my nose also. Next product is highlighter. It is from the brand Revolution Shimmer Brick Radiant. Applying it to the inner corner of my eyes with sponge eyeshadow brush to make my eyes look fuller, bigger, and it brighten up my eyes. Apply it as the shape of inner corners. Now applying highlighter to bridge of my nose and blending it. On cheekbones. Forehead. Chin and cupid bow. Now applying lipstick. This is from the brand ADS. Lip liner plus lip filler. It has a vast range of colors. Applying pink lipstick as it matches my dress. So the look is complete.